So this video is just talking about how we negotiate the gyratory system, and we're coming from the Wendover Road heading towards the test centre, which is in Walton Road. So that's effectively the third exit from the gyratory system. When we look at the gyratory system, if we think about it as a roundabout, it helps us to consider how we use it. We need to be obviously turning right here to the third exit, so we want to be in the right hand lane as we approach. The two lanes come out of one lane, so you just have to keep to the right by the white line on the right, and you find yourself at the correct point, so that when you get to the traffic lights at the far end, you're ready to join the gyratory system. Now, since we're joining here in the right hand lane, what we need to do is stay in the right hand lane until the next set of lights. Okay, and then as with the roundabout, what we do then is start to spiral away. So at this point, we're going into the not the next exit or the one after, but the exit after that. So as we come round here, okay, it's now the second exit effectively that we're going to. So we need to start easing into the middle lane. Good mirror checks are needed at this point, but signalling is not required, providing you do it nice and early. Okay, and of course we need then to turn right here, but because it's the next exit, we now need to be in the left-hand lane. So right-hand lane at the first set of lights on the gyratory system, left-hand lane at the next set of lights on the gyratory system, and then we exit here from the left-hand lane to head towards the test centre. So moving quickly across to the left-hand side, a little bit quicker than this video shows would be better, and you can see on the right-hand side the entrance to the test centre there. It's a narrow road, so remember to take it nice and slowly. First gear. So now we're going to look at going to the test centre from the direction of Stoke Mandeville. So you've come down past Stoke Mandeville, or you've come out of Southcourt, and you're heading towards the gyratory system. The direction signs give the directions Leighton Buzzard and Milton Keynes. As you can see from the map of the gyratory system here, it's the second exit. So the first exit is towards the town centre, Banbury, Oxford and Buckingham, and then the second exit is towards the test centre, Leighton Buzzard and Milton Keynes. Now, because there are two lanes that lead towards the town centre, it's advisable to be in the right hand lane as you approach, and you're going to have to turn effectively right at the first set of lights. So as we come down the hill from the bridge, easing straight into the right hand lane, don't get yourself in the left hand lane and then try and change. It's a lot better just to go straight into the right hand lane. We've just made it through the lights there, a good example of when not to stop at amber lights. So when you're right on top of them like that. Okay, so here we are in the middle lane. We're in the middle lane because we want to be in the left-hand lane by the lights, because it's our next exit. So this is the last set of lights before we exit the gyratory system. So here we are in the left-hand lane, ready to go off at the next exit. So basically, if you're going to the test centre from anywhere but the town centre, you want the right-hand lane. That's from Stoke Mandeville or from the Wendover Road. Right-hand lane, and then you want to be here to exit. So just as before, we're in the left-hand lane at this set of lights. The lights change, and we want to head straight over to the left-hand side as quickly as possible to get into that left-hand lane, so that we can keep out of the way of any traffic that's queuing at the traffic lights. And again, approaching the test centre nice and carefully, and slowing down, turning in first. So a little quick that one, but you can see as we approach the test centre, we've got a car parked on the left hand side, so we have to be careful about the oncoming traffic. We've got somebody there who's coming towards us, so we have to wait, and you can see a van coming towards us as well, so we must make sure we move nicely over to the left hand side. And the test centre is on the right just here.